Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Oracle Cloud, manage infrastructure and services step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type cloud.oracle.com and press enter. Wait for the Oracle Cloud homepage to load completely. Click on the Sign In button located in the upper right corner. You will be redirected to the Oracle Cloud login page. Enter your Oracle Cloud account email address in the provided field. Next, input your password in the designated password field. If you want the system to remember your login details for future access, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in your credentials, click the Sign In button. You may be prompted for two-factor authentication if it is enabled on your account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the authentication process. After successful login, you will be taken to the Oracle Cloud dashboard. From here, you can manage your infrastructure and services. Explore the various menu options available on the left sidebar. Click on Compute to manage your virtual machines. To access databases, select the Databases option from the sidebar. For storage services, click on Block Storage or Object Storage as needed. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the different features available. You can access billing information by clicking on the Billing section. To log out, click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Select the Sign Out option from the drop-down menu. This will securely log you out of your Oracle Cloud account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.